Hey everyone, Rick here. Today we're diving into an incredibly exciting topic, making money online. We'll explore 5 popular learning platforms, 5 AI tools to enhance your business operations, 5 effective strategies for online success, and how to create your very own website to sell your products or services. So if you're ready to transform your passion into profit, let's get started. Grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's dive into the world of online entrepreneurship together.
Let's talk about Coursera. It offers courses from top universities and organizations. Dive into programming, marketing, data science, or personal development. Many courses are free or affordable. Gain valuable skills for your online business. Courses include practical assignments. Coursera is great for continuous learning and upskilling. Next, we have Udemy. This platform boasts a vast library of courses covering virtually any subject imaginable. The courses are usually created by industry experts and practitioners, providing you with practical insights and actionable tips. Many courses are priced reasonably, and there are frequent discounts and promotions. Additionally, once you purchase a course, you get lifetime access to the content, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Udemy's user-friendly interface and comprehensive course offerings make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to expand their knowledge and improve their skill set. Skillshare is perfect for turning creative hobbies into income-generating ventures. It focuses on skills like photography, writing, and illustration. Courses are project-based, helping you build a portfolio. Skillshare's community-driven approach sets it apart. Connect with learners, share projects, and get feedback. Hone your skills and turn passions into profitable ventures. Chapter 4. LinkedIn Learning – Professional Growth. LinkedIn Learning is a fantastic resource for enhancing career skills and connectivity. It offers business, technology, and creative courses to help you advance or pivot in your career. Courses are led by industry experts and are short, fitting into your busy schedule. Add certifications to your profile, showcasing new skills to employers or clients. Chapter 5. EDX – Academic Excellence. EDX features courses from universities worldwide. It's a great resource for subjects like data science, digital marketing, and more. EDX focuses on academic rigor, offering official certificates or full online degrees. Courses from MIT, Harvard, and Berkeley ensure high-quality education. Gain advanced knowledge and credentials to stand out in online business.
Chapter 6. ChatGPT, OpenAI, AI-powered assistance. This powerful conversational AI can assist with customer service, content creation, and even brainstorming ideas for your business. Imagine having a virtual assistant available 24/7 to handle queries, draft emails, or generate blog post ideas. ChatGPT is incredibly versatile and can be integrated into various platforms, making it a valuable asset for streamlining operations and enhancing productivity. By incorporating ChatGPT into your business, you can save time, reduce operational costs, and focus on strategic tasks that drive growth. Chapter 7. Copy.ai, effortless copywriting. This AI-driven platform can save you hours of work and significantly improve your promotional efforts. Whether you're launching a new product or crafting a compelling ad campaign, Copy.ai provides creative and engaging content in seconds. Simply input a few details about your product or service, and the AI generates multiple copy variations for you to choose from. By leveraging Copy.ai, you can maintain a consistent and professional brand voice across all your communications. Chapter 8. Canva. Design made easy. Canva uses AI to suggest designs based on your content. Perfect for eye-catching graphics for your website or social media. Need an Instagram post, presentation, or website banner? Canva offers endless creative possibilities. Elevate your brand's visual presence and engage your audience. Chapter 9. Zapier. Automate your workflow. Zapier is an incredible tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks and integrate various applications using AI-driven workflows. This can significantly streamline your business operations, freeing up time for more strategic activities. One of the key benefits of Zapier is its ability to connect over 2,000 apps, including popular platforms like Google Sheets, Slack, and MailChimp. By utilizing Zapier, you can enhance efficiency, reduce human error, and focus on activities that drive growth. Last but not least in our AI tools lineup is Jasper, an AI writing assistant that helps you create engaging content for blogs, ads, and email marketing. Jasper generates high-quality, SEO-friendly content. It uses advanced natural language processing to align with your brand voice. This ensures consistency across all your communications. Leverage Jasper to attract and retain customers, boosting your online business.
Identify your niche to stand out. Fill a market gap to cater to a specific audience. Specializing helps establish authority. Research your target audience's needs. Build a loyal customer base and strong brand identity. Building a strong brand establishes trust and loyalty among customers. Consistency in visuals and messaging creates a memorable identity. Reflect your values and mission in your brand. Use these elements consistently across all marketing materials. A strong, consistent brand fosters trust, loyalty, and recognition. Chapter 13. Focus on customer engagement. Build relationships. Customer engagement is key to long-term success in online business. Building strong relationships with your audience can lead to increased loyalty, repeat business, and positive word of mouth. Use social media, email newsletters, and interactive content to engage with your customers and create meaningful connections. Share valuable content, respond to comments, and participate in conversations to build a sense of community. By focusing on customer engagement, you can build lasting relationships that drive long-term success. Chapter 14. Leverage SEO. Increase visibility. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is essential for increasing your online visibility and attracting potential customers. By optimizing your website and content for search engines, you can improve your rankings and make it easier for people to find your business. On-page SEO includes optimizing your website's structure, content, and meta tags. Off-page SEO involves building backlinks from reputable websites and engaging in social media marketing. By leveraging SEO, you can increase your online visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Chapter 15. Diversify your income streams. Reduce risk. Diversifying your income streams is a smart strategy for reducing risk and enhancing stability. By offering multiple products or services, engaging in affiliate marketing, or monetizing content through ads, you can create a more resilient business model. Consider expanding your product or service offerings to cater to different customer segments. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to diversify your income. By diversifying your income streams, you can reduce risk and build a more stable and sustainable online business.
Chapter 16. Choose a domain name. Reflect your brand. Choosing a domain name is a crucial step in creating your online presence. Your domain name should reflect your brand, be easy to remember, and be search engine friendly. Start by brainstorming names that are relevant to your brand and resonate with your target audience. Once you have a list of potential names, check their availability using domain registrars like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once you've secured your domain name, it's time to move on to the next step, setting up your website. Chapter 17. Select a web hosting service. Reliability matters. Selecting a reliable web hosting service is essential for your website's performance and security. A good web host ensures quick loading, security, and minimal downtime. Consider speed, security, support, and scalability when choosing. Providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator offer plans for different needs. Chapter 18. Use a website builder. Design with ease. Creating a professional website is easier than ever, thanks to user-friendly website builders like WordPress, Shopify, and Wix. These platforms offer intuitive interfaces and a range of customizable templates, allowing you to design your site without any coding knowledge. Choose a website builder that aligns with your business model and goals. Whichever platform you choose, ensure that your website is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel and leave a like. God bless you.